Hello, Zyron Development. This is going to be a very quick and brief video just showing how to connect your rustconsole addition bot to a database. This is going to unlock a bunch more features for us in future videos, such as KD ratios and all that fun stuff as we go on with this series. This video is optional. I will point out in each episode where this episode may be required, basically if you need a database. So I'm just keeping it quick and brief. We're just going to start off. Obviously you need to follow episode 1 before you come to this episode. We're just going to run a command. We're going to do npm i @prisma/client because we're using Prisma. And then we're going to do npm i-d Prisma because it's a developer dependency. That'll take a second to install Prisma. And then we're going to run npx prisma init 2 hyphens data source hyphen provider space SQLite, because we're going to be using SQLite in these tutorials just to keep things simple for you. And when that's run, it's going to update your .env file automatically. Obviously I'm not going to open that file, but you're going to see a new database URL properties popped up in there. And then you can go into your Prisma, your schema.prisma, and you can get rid of that and get rid of that output line so it looks like that. Right, so let's close schema.prisma. Go back to our terminal there. And then we can go to src client.ts. And we're going to import Prisma client from @prisma/client like so. And we will name this Prisma, and then it's the type Prisma client. So we can then have container.prisma, which allows us to access the Prisma client from all our files. And that's it for this episode. Let's just go ahead and run our script. So it was npm run dev that we made in the last episode. Oh, whoops. Yeah, that's right. I need to do npx prisma generate. No? Missing required environment variable database URL. 1 second. Alright, after half an hour of trying to find the issue, finally found it. This never normally happens, but for some reason it's created a prisma.config.ts file. Just delete it if that happens for you. And then you can do npx prisma generate like so. And that is it for this video. So that's all I wanted to show you, and I'll see you in the next episode.